What is going up, guys? Welcome back to the best day trading, investing, money management channel on YouTube. If you guys are new to the team and you guys like day trading or investing, I highly recommend subscribing down below. Subscribe right down there, and you guys will literally love my channel. But in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Moomoo. Can you day trade on it? Is it worth the investment? So let's see. Moomoo has recently came across my, that app feed when you're looking through apps. Now, what caught my attention were two things. The first one was the free level 2. The second one was more in-depth graphs. As day traders, and especially for mobile day traders with, a lot of people with jobs or anything like that, we're kind of limited to a couple of apps. We're limited to the Thinkorswim app that charges that hefty, commission free, or that heavy commission of, $6.95 if you're under that $200 or that $25,000 PDT rule. Now, you might be saying, well, Carter, that's really not a big deal if you have, $10,000 or $15,000. But a lot of you guys are new traders. You want to get your feet wet. You want to start looking at these, these platforms, but you don't want to be stuck into commission. That's really what I wanted to see, if this was even worth the capability of day trading. Day trading is such a heavy thing to, have, and if we have something that kind of makes it a little easier, it definitely is worth it. So that's why I really clicked on this app here, and I wanted to test it out. So what I did is I started really looking at it. I wanted to make sure everything was kind of legit. We see all these apps like Robinhood and Webull and everything like that that offer these, they're all like the same. They offer these commission-free trades, and their charts are subpar. They don't offer, any hefty news. They don't offer any real-time level 2 or anything like that. So I wanted to see if this was better. So really I put like 10 bucks in it, and I started executing some trades, looking at it. And honestly, if you guys are a new day trader, I would highly recommend this over Robinhood. Now, the reason why I say that is because Robinhood kind of sucks. You just get to look at a chart and some news in the grand scheme of things. Yeah, it's commission free. It's like the first of its kind, but this is the same thing. You get level 2. You get more in-depth charts with any studies that you want. RSI, you want SMA lines. You can put those on there. You can change the time frame to literally whatever you want. You're not stuck to the day, week, month, and year like the Robinhood charts are. You can really look at the stock. You can get a more in-depth picture of it. And I feel like that will help you, day trade. And if you guys are using brokers like SureTrader, this will help you save some money, because SureTrader, on top of their Pro platform, the Pro platform starts out at $50 a month. And, if you want level 2, that's an extra like $65 a month. So this could save you some money if you just get if you get a little phone holder like such. Whoa. If you get a little fold holder, you put your level 2 data like that, and slide it underneath your laptop or slide it underneath your monitor, and put a watch list up and just keep clicking on it. And I guarantee you guys will save some money. And is it going to be the best thing? Probably not, but it's going to save you some money. And that's really what I want to talk about. I know I always talk about treat day trading like a business, and you should, but if this can help you kind of learn it and learn level 2, and it's not going to be hurting your budget. Because I remember when I first started, I was super broke, and I was drawn to apps like this. So I really wanted something like this. I wish they had this when I started. Because I had my, Thinkorswim charts up, executing trades on Robinhood, and obviously, if you guys have done it, it's pretty difficult to day trade like that. And I feel like this could be a good alternative. What I would like to see happen in the future for Moomoo is to get some web-based stuff. I think it would be cool to be able to pull up charts and everything like that. And not to mention, they offer a scanner. They offer a stock scanner on Moomoo. It's the TD Ameritrade. It's the Thinkorswim platform that's dumbed down, and it's free, commission free. So really, I'm not affiliated. I'm not anything with them. I do have a referral code though. You guys can get a free stock if you sign up. It's free. I would highly recommend, you know, at least checking it out. Click that link down below and you guys can get a free stock just by signing up. But so really, what would I rate this? I would rate this for a new beginner day trader who wants to get their feet wet, maybe by only buying a share or two and not really having to pay that $6.95 commission like you would on the, you know, Thinkorswim platform, and it has just more in-depth stuff rather than Robinhood. So, you know, that's what I think though. I think it's if I was going to rate it out of 5, I'd go, you know, maybe a 4-star or maybe 4.2. You know, it has some improvements, like I want the web-based platform, but other than that, you know, I really haven't seen any flaws with it. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you guys see value in this, I highly recommend subscribing and liking the video. Like the video, please like the video. I'm begging you, I'm begging. So that is it though. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Peace out.